Do your students lose their marker caps? Are you tired of tripping on them? You can use packing tape to create a marker strip for your students. It holds the caps all in one place. First, tear two 6-inch pieces of packing tape. Then, using the marker box, slide markers out cap side down to prevent the markers from separating. Place marker caps on the tape strip and repeat. No more lost caps. You can also use packing tape to create a dry erase board in each student's interactive notebook. Use the tape to completely cover across 2 pages from end to end and top to bottom. Trim the sides if needed. Now your students have lined dry erase boards. We can draw models, number lines, graphic organizers, and have extra space for risk-free computation. This teacher hack was brought to you by Jennifer Perkins from the Elementary Math Department.